Hi friends, welcome back. Naji here. We are continuing a discussion on n8n, and in this video we will be discussing on loop over in n8n. Okay. So what we are going to do, we have a Excel sheet which containing the item and price. So what we are going to implement is we are going to check the price range. So for example, if the price is greater than 100, I want to give 10% discount or maybe 20% discount. If it is less than or equal to 100, we need to give maybe 10% discount. Okay, so this is the use case that we need to implement, and we'll see how can we implement this using the loop over. Okay, so for that, first we can have a trigger node, and this is my trigger node. Then I can have the Google Sheet. Select Google Sheet, get rows from the sheet, select my code, and I can select the sheet, just execute it. So we can see the list of items here. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to loop over it one by one. I can select loop over. Currently I am going to set the batch size as 1. Okay, this is a dummy. I can remove this. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, now execute it. Okay, now the execution is fine. Now what we need to do, okay, so if you look on this, here we can see one item. Okay, now we can implement our logic. So we are checking what is the price. So if the price is greater than 100, we need to what we call if the we need to give like a 20% discount, right? So for that, what I can do, I can select a if node. Let's select the if node, and I can let me execute this again. It's not done. From here, okay, from the loop item, just select. Here I can see the price. Just select number is greater than 100. Okay, let's execute it. Okay, so it's fine. So if it is the 50, this is 50, right? So it is false. That's why we are getting here. So if it is false, what we need to do, we need to give only 10% discount. So for that, I can select a edit field. Let's select the price. Okay, so here I can modify the price. So price will be 0.2. Okay, so this is the amount that I'm planning to give. So this is the discount that we are planning to give. Okay, something like that. Okay, so this the price is now 10. Okay, now I can connect it with this. Okay, so here we have let me rearrange this. Okay, make it little big here. Okay, so here we have our if is there, and we have modified the value, and if it is true, okay, I can create another edit field. I can give this. Okay, so if it is true, I can give maybe 10% discount. Okay, okay, so this is my use case, and here also we need to pass this because we need to do the loop, right? To complete the loop, right? So we need to have a both these true and false conditions has to be connected with our loop, then only the loop will complete. Okay, I don't know how to rearrange this in a better way. Okay, anyway, let's do something like this. Okay, now we can save it and we can start executing. We'll see what is our result. Okay, so the execution is done. I can see the result here. So let me open here. So we can see the price is updated based on the given criteria, right? Okay, but here we can only see the price only. What I need is I need to get the item also. For that, we need to go to our edit item. I can drag and drop the item here. Okay, here also I can do the same. I can do the drag and drop here. We are good now. Let's execute it. So the execution is progress, and let's select this. So we can see the item and we can see the the updated price also we can see. This is not the correct price, because we have to take the actual price and we have to do some subtraction from that, but I'm just my intention is how to do the loop over and how can we update the values with respect to the loop over. Okay, so this is working perfectly as we expected. Now this can be saved into maybe a Google Sheet, or this can be sent to maybe Excel sheet or something like that we can do, send to email also that we can do. Okay, so that is all about in this video. So I believe this is clear and detailed enough to understand what is loop over. So if you have any questions, please ask him in the comment box. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.